Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see, I'm starting out this vlog at one of my daughter's cheer games. So please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos coming up in the future. Baby, when I say cheering is very competitive, it is very competitive.
Hey, y'all, me and my beautiful mama, she came in my room the other day, reminiscing with me, showing me pictures and stuff when I was little. Like, I'm just bringing that up now, right? Because every time I walk next to my mama and I was like, she feels so short. And I just looked at me when I was little and it was like, I was so small, like, so baby. Like, man, I'm getting so big. I'm not sure, like, we can be a mama. We so, look at us together.
You irritating.
Who messing with us? Like, who messing with us? Mama did her big one when I came, you know, like, and now I'm finna do my big one for her this year. I gotta go big and go hard 2025. Yeah. See, I gotta talk to the vlog for the one time, you know, she gonna put this on our YouTube or whatever, y'all. I got y'all. Yo, I'm finna probably start YouTube and stuff too. Get on this. But let me get her back her phone so she can talk to her vlog.
Do me a bob, but yeah, I'm trying out a new car wash. The inside of my car looking a mess. We're finna get it together. This is my Chipotle bowl and the Qdoba bowl. Yours look good. Cause I look a mess. So never mind how I look.
Nobody don't give a fuck about that. Now taste them. Tell me, do you taste the? Do it taste like that one? That burnt taste to it. Yeah, that was yours then. Gave me a choice.
Okay, you got what?
Chicken, pinto beans, mild queso. That's why I was making my damn stomach hurt. Lettuce and tomatoes, like cha-cha. It ain't cha-cha, but
that one better.
Is it because it ain't got that burnt taste to it? You got sour cream on yours too? Why you got sour cream and guac? Ain't that guac damn near sour cream?
No,
The other layers
that one better.
have less nerve.
That one ain't got no flavor.
The deeper, the more sensitive.
Chipotle nasty.
You need a steady hand.
That shit tastes like they sat it in the pot too long and burned it.
What is cool?
You don't even want it.
I feel like salsa or something. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, hey boo. And if you're new, join the crew and press the subscribe button. This is the start of a new vlog. I am about to go on a date with my niece, and then we gonna meet up with my sisters, because today would have been my dad's 66th birthday if he was still here on this earth. So yes, it's a celebration. So I am on my way to pick her up, and we are about to go see, I forget the name to the movie, but the movie with Kiki Palmer in there. We're gonna go see that, and then we are gonna go downtown to like a bar, or I want to say a lounge. Probably pick up food there, whatever, but we'll see when we get there. But yeah, I'm gonna take y'all along with me just for the day. So after the movie, me and my niece and my sisters ended up meeting up at Bar Louie. It was such a vibe. Of course, I had to get my wine, and I ended up ordering the Parmesan crusted chicken. It was so good. They food was actually good too.
Nene, we got a room with a balcony.
Video.
Oh, it's a video.
Look, y'all.
We did that same time. Video. I'm like, she gonna catch me while I'm eating. That's why I think I know.
Y'all, so the night has come to an end. I just finished repairing my nephew locks, and we had a good time at dinner earlier with my sisters and my niece. Happy birthday, happy heavenly birthday to my father, who would have been 66 years old today. So I'm gonna take this makeup off and clean my face and everything, and then I'm about to get ready to go to bed. But yeah, I'll lay under my man. I will show y'all my nephew here if he let me show y'all. But yeah, I just took a video. I'm gonna insert the video so y'all can see how his hair turned out. And yeah, I done scuffed up my fingers repairing his dreads because they're the tool that I use. But yeah, I'm going to bed. Love you guys. I know I look crazy, but I got this natural coconut oil, and I'm just rubbing it all over my face to break up the makeup, you know. To get it off. Paper towel. She was my toner and moisturize my face, and then to bed I go. My best friend ended up coming over and we did head for head. She did me a bob and I just gave her a retwist and pinned her hair up in a cute little style. And yeah, this was before her sister birthday party, and then we ended up leaving out after we finished each other hair. So for my sis Bianca birthday, we ended up throwing a kickback for her 40th birthday. They was playing cards, we was doing TikToks, like we was having a good old time. The kids, the adults, everybody was just vibing. They ended up serving chicken and taco salad and cheese and crackers. We had a good time. Y'all know me and my baby gonna always play in the camera. That's my girl. Yeah, I got my god dog, and she's so ready to eat. Look at her. Buddy got company. Look at her, just ready, just too ready. Okay, sit, Kelly. Sit. Sit. No. I ain't say stretch and get all excited. You ready to eat? Ready to eat? Ready to eat, girl? Ready to eat? Ready to eat, man? Come on. Come on, man. Watch out, Callie, because this buddy's. Here, buddy. Nope. Nope. Here. Here's Callie. Look at her. Look at her. Just greedy. Oh, my God. She's going in on that food. I love my babies. She can get dropped off to her mama, though. She ain't used to the cage. Buddy be whining, but she be barking. She's barking all through the night. She is just so happy. Callie. Sit down, girl. No. Sit down. It's okay. It's Okay. My car is packed up because I'm getting rid of my daughter kitchen set. I'm about to drop that off to my niece for her baby, and then I'm dropping off my guide dog back to her mama. I had her for 3 days. She gotta go. She gotta go. But it was fun while it lasted. But yeah, that's all I'm doing this morning, and then back to the house I go. Good morning, y'all. So I am prepping my daughter lunch. She got a field trip today, so I'm making her lunch before I leave out for work. Let me start my car. Hold on. This is everything in our lunch bag: chips, an apple, a sandwich, a nutty buddy, and a juice. With a napkin. I think I want to put a little note in here. Yeah, I'm gonna write her a little note. Eat me a protein yogurt. It's 15 grams of protein because I don't think I'm making it back home today or coming back home today. I need to actually put my dog some water in his bowl and a little bit of food because I gotta drive all the way to Racine. So yeah, I'm about to put my lashes on and straighten my hair up or out a little bit before I have to leave. I'm trying to hurry up. Trying to hurry up. And y'all, my nephew called me or texted me last night because he like watching my videos. He loved watching my videos, so he texted me last night like, Titi, when you making another video? He like, I love you. Just asking. I'm like, oh, my baby. I love you, baby D. My Titi. But yeah. So, I gotta get a video out. I've been tripping. So this here is the next day. Me and my fiance got invited to my brother outing. He did like a little kickback at the bowling alley, and we just went there. We didn't even end up bowling. We ended up just chilling at the bar and catching up. All in all, it was good to get out and catch up with everybody and see familiar faces. I can't remember if my brother won the tournament this night, but while we was there, that's what he was doing. But hey y'all, so I am out for my brother's birthday. Yeah, bowling.
You know, if I ask you one favor, you might be willing to like negotiate.
Let me see.
I don't need no money. I don't need no money.
No. I'm trying to see if I got any favors left. All out. All out.
The place that I'm going to, like, if y'all could maybe
See you later. Happy birthday, brother.
Happy birthday, hey! Ah, yeah, turn up. I thank y'all, and I appreciate y'all for coming out. I'm sad and I'm mad that things didn't go the way that I
we
wanted
can hang out a
to.
different day. We just got plans.
Yeah, we just got plans. I thought it was gonna be better than this, but
That's early. You can go to church.
I'm sorry.
It is what it is.
Hey, we're De'Aaron them. Boleros. That's what they said? Like, y'all don't want to come to Boleros? Or no, y'all think of her?
That's on the south side. They at the house. Ain't Boleros? Where Boleros? On the south side?
No, Boleros is right there on Brown Deer.
You talking about the one that? No, you talking about Brown Deer Lane.
Baby.
Where's Bolero? I think is that
Come
the
here.
same thing? Bolero Brown Deer Lane? That's the same thing?
Bolero.
Where's Bolero?
Bolero. What Bolero are you talking about? The one in Brown Deer, right?
She don't even want to go to Bolero.
Oh, the one on Burleigh.
The one on Burleigh or
No,
Brown
it's the
Deer?
one on Brown Deer Lane. Brown Deer Lane.
She ain't got to go nowhere.
You don't like that one?
They're going on Burleigh from Bolero.
Oh no, you talking about Bolero.
Yeah.
I thought you were talking about Brown Deer Lane.
If you made it to the end of this vlog, I would like to thank you for tuning in to this point. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know how y'all feel about this vlog. I know it's kind of like all over the place, but yeah, I love you guys. And I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye.